Oh, I have way too much fun.
All right. Well, my name's Jerry. This is my wife, Pam.
Good morning.
And
Morning.
This is our Thomas bus that we put together the last couple of years. So we're glad to be at Skoolies Palooza and having a good time.
Good.
So outside, pretty simple. Just one storage compartment here, and then a garage in the back, about 2 foot, and the rest of it's all inside.
Huh?
Got 800 watts of solar on the roof, and
Now, how much solar do you have?
800 watts.
800 watts?
Yep.
Okay.
And then got a whole battery pack out of a Nissan Leaf underneath, so we've got about 15 kilowatts of storage.
Yeah, it might be enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Works pretty good. And the rest of it's propane. We have a stove and hot water heater, and that's it for propane. Oh, refrigerator too.
Right.
It's dual.
Well, it's...
So we'll take you inside and let you take a look. Of course, the driver's area is nothing special.
Right.
My ham radio there on the dash, and I stay in contact with my friends all over the Northwest from that. So, little jackknife sofa, and a couple of recliner chairs, and of course you gotta have a TV. And this is my wife's countertop she had to have, Corian countertop, and we built, this cabinet's a Home Depot piece, and the rest of them we built. Got storage underneath here, and of course you gotta use everything. And of course storage underneath and on top of the refrigerator. And it's just a 110 gas refrigerator. More storage up here. Little mini split does a pretty good job. Keeps us warm and cool. Only draws about 9 amps.
Right.
So pretty economical.
Nice.
Little short hallway. In our bathroom. I had to have the shower, and she had to have the bowl type sink.
Oh, it's a nice sink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then my closet, her closet, and our bedroom. And my granddaughter and myself and my wife and occasionally a friend that we did all the work.
Right.
My granddaughter's 25 years old and she is just a go-getter.
Yep.
Which is really good. So when people tell me none of the young kids are worth a damn, I go, oh, that's not true.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them that are really good. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. We really like it.
Right. I like the molding around the
Yeah.
hatch.
Yeah. I was going to finish this all off, and my granddaughter said, no, leave that alone. That looks good. So we left it alone.
All right. Well, if anybody wanted to get a hold of you, do you have any like social media presence at all, or
just Facebook, G Enders on Facebook.
Okay. All right.
And,
well, thank you.
Yeah,
I like, I like the bus.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.